Hey, Kelly.
Hey, Sarah.
Thanks so much for joining me here today. I just wanted to ask you some questions about your experience inside of OBM school. So when you were joining us and you came right into the accreditation program and you really excelled in our program, did you have any hesitations before joining OBM school?
I don't think I had any hesitations necessarily to join it, because after viewing all of the YouTube videos that you posted for free, you kind of like just all the free value and education that you already gave us really kind of solidified my decision in signing up for OBM school. But my own hesitation was probably more internal, whether it was the right step for me going from a VA to an OBM. I think that was like the most hesitation that I experienced, was just trying to decide what the next step in my career would be. Ended up being OBM school, and I love it. So.
What do you think was most sort of pertinent in helping you make the transition from VA?
Yeah, I mean, experience. I think just like working with your clients, and the more clients that you work with, the more that they're going to need certain skills or demands that you need to fulfill, or that if you're willing to step up to the plate and learn new things, just keep a very open mind about taking on new things and not being afraid to like lean into that. Because when you do, like, you open up the world and you learn so much more.
That's really great advice for any VA wanting to transition into the OBM role. How have the credentials and the community and the skills training helped you inside of OBM school?
Yeah, I mean, it's really just helped me refine my skills and give me that extra confidence. Being surrounded by like-minded people is so important, and like having this community that is so supportive is really helped accelerate my progress in becoming an OBM, because we have like the accountability groups, we have the coaching calls, we have all of the support that we need to succeed. And whenever we have a coaching call with you, like, you always say at the beginning, there's no stupid questions. And it is so true. Like, I tell my clients that there's no stupid questions, please ask. Because if you don't ask, you're never going to know.
Things happen.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much for that, and for telling us about your experience. What would be the one thing that you would tell somebody that's maybe on the fence about joining us from a VA background into OBM school?
Just start. Just do it. Take messy action.
Make messy action.
Always. Just do it. And I know like it's easier said than done, because someone can just tell you like, just do it. But at the end of the day, the more messy action you take and the faster you fail, the faster you'll be able to succeed at the end.
What's the right mindset?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kelly,
Thanks so
for
much.
sharing that.